Good morning from Channel E. We report the weather forecast for the web in the city of Medellin. Monday, we had a partly cloudy day with more than 20 degrees. Where it be you the May receive as how Tuesday and day with Tuesday with more than 8 degrees. Is a day to be how wait movies. Wednesday and Sunday with more than 25 degrees to 4 and well Sunday. Thursday we had a red day with more than 10 degrees. We in the YouTube a how read about. Thursday apparently cloudy day with more than 90 degrees. Doi high Eden Isley to about fossil ring. Thank you very much and see you the next show.